Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we help you navigate through the maze of beauty products with expert-level insights and honest opinions. If you've ever struggled to find a mascara that ticks all the boxes, long-lasting, voluminous, and healthy for your lashes, stick around because today we're diving into Almay's Thickening and Tint Mascara. We're going to take a close look at how this mascara performs and whether it's the game changer your lashes need. But before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now let's get into the good stuff. Almay's Thickening and Tint Mascara is a mascara that promises to thicken, tint, and condition your lashes. It claims to give you bold, full lashes instantly while also gradually tinting them over time, leaving you with healthier looking lashes. It comes in the shade 402 Black and is designed to be both clump-free and non-flaking, ensuring that your lashes stay looking fresh throughout the day. Plus, it's enriched with a lash-care complex to boost the condition of your lashes, which is a huge win for anyone concerned about lash health. The key features here are all about creating volume and enhancing lash health. The mascara is infused with plant-derived powders, which help create that soft, natural-looking volume without being overly dramatic. And it doesn't stop there. This formula boasts up to 24 hours of wear. When I first applied Almay's Thickening and Tint Mascara, the first thing I noticed was how smooth and easy it was to apply. The formula glides on effortlessly with no tugging or pulling. The wand is easy to maneuver, and I was able to coat each lash evenly, from root to tip. What's even better is that there's no flaking throughout the day. I've tested this mascara in various conditions, through humidity, a long workday, and even a workout, and it held up beautifully. As for the tinting effect, I didn't expect to see immediate results, but after a few days of consistent use, I did notice my lashes looking a bit darker and fuller naturally. That gradual effect is a lovely bonus for anyone who wants the appearance of thicker lashes without relying on extensions or false lashes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, I love how comfortable this mascara is to wear. It feels light and never heavy or sticky. The plant-derived bristles and formula ensure that your lashes feel soft and conditioned, not brittle or dry. The boldness it provides is subtle but definitely noticeable, and it lasts all day without smudging. On the con side, I will say that if you're looking for extreme volume or a dramatic lash look, this mascara might not be the one for you. It provides great volume, but stays on the softer, more natural side, which may not satisfy those who crave a more intense lash look. When it comes to value for money, I think Almay's Thickening and Tint Mascara is fairly priced for what you're getting. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for a mascara that's plant-based, long-lasting, and actually helps condition your lashes over time, I think it offers solid value. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of mascaras on the market that offer similar benefits. If you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, a mascara like Maybelline's Lash Sensational could provide a similar level of volume and longevity at a lower price point, though it won't have the added lash care benefits of this Almay mascara. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry in your bag without it taking up too much space. The mascara tube is sturdy, and the wand is designed well, ensuring smooth and controlled application. Now, when it comes to longevity, this mascara lives up to its claim of up to 24-hour wear. I didn't experience any flaking or smudging, and it held up through sweat, humidity, and everything in between. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this mascara, the link is in the comments. Now, when it comes to customer support, I haven't had any personal experience reaching out to Almay's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, I'd expect prompt and helpful service if any issues arose. As for product updates, I couldn't find any recent updates for this mascara, so I'd say the version I reviewed is the current one available. If you're not completely sold on this mascara, but you're looking for something similar in performance and price, you could also consider trying L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. It gives similar volume and drama, though it doesn't offer the same lash care benefits. If you don't mind sacrificing a bit of the conditioning factor for a bit more intensity, it might be a good alternative. Overall, I think Almay's Thickening and Tint Mascara is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their lashes with a natural, healthy look. It's a great pick for those who prefer a more subtle lash effect, but still want volume and definition. The added benefit of conditioning your lashes while you wear it is a definite bonus, and the formula is gentle enough for daily use. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Do you love it or hate it? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.